Hi, welcome to our video. Today we're going to demonstrate a GMP machinery grinding and polishing stand. This particular machine is currently wired for 460 volts. It's equipped with two 5-horsepower motors that are dual voltage, so it's easily converted to 230 or 460. On this side it has a belt, and the other side it's got a buffing wheel, but it can easily be set up or configured any way you need. We'll light it up right now. It also has variable speeds on either side. You can speed it up or slow it down depending on whatever you need. Faster or slower. That's about it. Thanks for watching the video.